Eat out, an English phrase, Bitesize. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into the English phrase, eat out. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning and how to use it in daily conversations. Eat out is a phrasal verb in English. It means to have a meal at a restaurant or a place other than one's home. Essentially, instead of cooking and eating at home, you decide to go somewhere else, like a cafe, diner, or a fancy restaurant, to have your meal. Example, I'm too tired to cook tonight. Let's eat out. Now, let's dissect the phrase, eat. This verb refers to the act of consuming food. We all know that. Out. The word out, in this context, indicates outside of one's usual place, which is typically home. Combined, these words suggest the act of eating somewhere other than home, usually in public places like restaurants. Understanding a phrase is great, but knowing how to use it is even better. Let's look at some examples. 1. Do you want to eat out tonight or order takeaway? 2. They often eat out on weekends because they're too busy to cook. 3. We found a new Italian restaurant downtown. Want to eat out there on Friday? To enrich your vocabulary further, here are some phrases with similar meanings to eat out. Dine out. This is a more formal way of saying eat out. It especially refers to having a meal in a restaurant. Example, we decided to dine out at the new French bistro. Grab a bite, to eat. This is a casual phrase meaning to get something to eat, usually quickly. Example, I'm not very hungry. Just looking to grab a bite. And there we have it. Next time you're thinking about heading to a restaurant or any place outside your home for a meal, you can confidently use the phrase, eat out. Remember, language is not just about understanding but using it effectively in your daily life. I hope you found this explainer video useful. Keep practicing, and happy learning!